The TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E5 is a luxury hybrid product that appeals to a premium US audience interested in both high-end horology and cutting-edge tech. Based on the information that the TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E5 has recently been officially announced or heavily leaked/released, I will craft a 30-minute script that focuses on analyzing and hyping its official features, like the proprietary TAG Heuer OS, new sizes, and M5 certification for iPhones, alongside the highest-end rumors, like micro-LED and the Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 chip mentioned in leaks. This script is structured to be emotionally compelling, technical, and luxurious, forcing the viewer to listen to every detail to justify the high price point. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Narrator, sophisticated, smooth, and authoritative tone. Stop looking at your wrist. Because for years, the luxury watch world and the tech world have existed in two separate universes. You had the timeless precision of Swiss horology, and then you had the disposable convenience of smartwatches. But what if one single device finally closed that gap, not with compromise, but with absolute superiority? This is the TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E5. And it is not just a smartwatch. It is the fifth generation of a movement that is finally ready to demand respect from the most discerning luxury buyers in America. We're talking about a proprietary operating system, a dual-size revolution, and performance metrics that make the competition look like a cheap digital toy. Over the next 30 minutes, we are going deep. We are going to analyze every design choice, every technological leap, and every feature that justifies its premium price. This is the new standard for luxury, intelligence, and legacy. You are about to discover why the Calibre E5 is the only watch that belongs on the wrist of the modern executive. Narrator. The biggest story with the Calibre E5 is what's gone. Gone is the reliance on standard operating systems. In its place is the TAG Heuer OS, a proprietary, in-house developed operating system. This is a game changer. It means TAG Heuer finally controls the entire user experience, leading to a faster, cleaner, more intuitive interface that is tailored for the high-end user. Think of it, an OS designed not for mass consumption, but for unparalleled luxury performance. This proprietary software works in perfect harmony with the rumored next-generation power, the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 chipset. This is the engine that transforms the E5 from a stylish gadget into a precision instrument. The expected result? Blazing speed, instant app launches, and battery life that finally ends the anxiety of daily charging. With up to 3 days of autonomy rumored for the larger case size, this watch respects your time and your routine. This is the performance that professionals demand. Narrator. For a luxury watch to truly succeed, it must feel right. The Calibre E5 addresses the biggest criticism of its predecessors by finally offering two distinct sizes, a robust 45mm and a more refined 40mm. This move is a stroke of genius. It broadens the appeal from the sporty chronograph crowd to the tailored executive who demands a subtle, elegant fit. The design details are pure Swiss luxury. We're talking cases meticulously crafted from fine-brushed steel, black DLC-coated titanium, and even rose gold PVD options. Crucially, the redesigned strap system creates a seamless, integrated look